Welcome back to the Bronco Nation, your place for all things Ford Bronco. Today we're going to be installing the Addictive Desert Designs Stealth Fighter front bumper on our Badlands Ford Bronco. This Bronco was the first 6th gen Bronco to reach the Arctic Circle outside of North America. And now we're gonna upgrade it with some new parts from the Bronco Nation store, where members get exclusive discounts on all their Bronco parts and accessories. The ADD Stealth Fighter front bumper is a low profile bumper that will give you more clearance off-road while still retaining the OEM sensors. With the bumpers next to each other, you can see the difference between the stock modular front bumper and the Stealth Fighter. This project will take 4 to 6 hours to complete, and these are the tools you'll need to finish the job. The first step is removing the stock bumper. To do this, remove the 4 plastic clips that hold the plastic cover. Then pull off the plastic cover. With the cover removed, you can see the 3 bolts holding the bumper in place. With a 15mm socket, remove the 3 bolts. Then repeat the process on the other side. To remove the bumper, lift the bumper up and pull it out. With the bumper off, you can see the wire harness for our aftermarket lights. We'll disconnect those and move them out of the way. Now's a good time to clean up behind the bumper if your Bronco has seen the dirt like ours has. Now, some Broncos come equipped with optional sensors in the front bumper. If yours comes with those sensors, now's the time to remove them and the wiring harness and put them into your new bumper. Ours isn't equipped with those sensors, so we're gonna just move on. Now, one of the things that Addictive Desert Design recommends is that you cut down the stock skid plate to kind of fit within where your new bumper is gonna sit so that you don't have this space hanging outside of the bumper. Looking at the condition of our stock bumper, we decided that we would go with the additional skid plate from Addictive Desert Design. This skid plate fits with their stealth bumper, and it's just a few extra steps. To remove the stock skid plate, remove the 4 bolts holding it in with a 15mm socket. Then remove these 2 bolts on the steering rack with an 18mm socket. These will be reused with the new skid plate. Now would be the time to add in lighting into your bumper. For now, we're gonna skip this step so it's easier to see what we're doing when we install the bumper. Now, right here where the stock bumper attached, there's this plate that goes behind this section right here. And this plate actually has 3 welded nuts on this plate, and that's where the stock bumper used to attach, through this plate into this plate with the welded nuts on there. Now, what you have to do, and this is really hard to show back here, so I just have it out here. Basically, there are 2 of these plastic nuts that are holding this plate in place, and you just hand loosen these plastic nuts, pull the plate out from back there, and then you slide your new bolts and washers through these 2 holes, and these bolts are what will attach to the bumper. With our hardware in place, we'll place the bumper and push our hardware through the holes. Well, that's it. The bumper and the skid plate are installed and they look amazing. Now remember, this bumper is made for a 30-inch light bar, so you can definitely pick one of those up when you're getting this bumper. We didn't install one today just so that it was easier to see what we were doing. Now we'll put links in the description below where you can pick one of these up, and remember that Bronco Nation members get exclusive pricing. Now make sure to stick around. We're going to be doing more installation videos with this Bronco, getting it ready for the trail.